In this CopyHackBox review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to ethically copy any sales page or sales video and rewrite it so that you don't have to start from scratch. You can use the same concept that Russell Brunson used for ClickFunnels in order to hack other people's businesses. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out CopyHackBox, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses are going to be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says hack, ethically rip off profit. First to market, futuristic AI-powered app ethically copy hacks any sales page or VSL and rewrites a brand new sales script for any product or service and in any niche, all in minutes. So essentially, this uses the same strategy that Russell Brunson created ClickFunnels on in order to go and actually hack other people's funnels, see what's actually working for them, and not steal it from them, but just take it and make it your own. And now you can use AI to do this for you. So this is what lots of people, if you look at all these different products being launched, a lot of times you might think that they're a little bit, some of them are similar. Well, a lot of times this is all done manually. People go in there and they take a look at it. They don't want to just like plagiarize them and steal their sales copy. So they kind of rewrite it and change it around a little bit. This allows you to do it using AI, so you don't have to do it manually anymore. You can do it for yourself, or you can provide this as a service. It also looks like there's a coupon code on the page right now. I don't know how long that's going to be on there, so make sure you use it. Again, I make less as an affiliate by pointing that out to you, so please hit that like button. So if we go down here, you can see that they actually say that they use this in order to do sales, and they say they made $47,000 in 1 week using this, and another $1,800 here, and here's $7,000 they got paid for a script for a client. I can't verify all that, but it doesn't seem so far-fetched in the fact that I know these guys launch a lot of products, and I know that that strategy of rewriting other people's copy is just done over and over and over again. Again, now you can do it with AI. Step 1, copy and paste. Step 2, ethically rip off. Step 3, profit. Of course, it's going to depend upon what you're doing. It has a one-click researcher, URL swiper tool, copy and paste editor, hypnotic headline writer, long-form sales copy generator, grab headline, create an entire sales funnel. Over and over and over again, what this can do for you. It's a pretty neat idea. I wish I thought of this. Tons of extra bonuses, and these are all the stuff that you get on the front end if you purchase it like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play you a video explain this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you all the different OTOs, and I'm going to show you a special bundle discount that if you click this little purple button on my bonus page, it's going to take you over to that discount. Yeah, I'll be back in a minute.
Welcome to CopyHackBox, the first-to-market breakthrough and futuristic AI-powered app that ethically copy hacks any sales page or VSL and rewrites brand new sales scripts for any product or service and in any niche, all in minutes. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Step 1, copy and paste. CopyHackBox allows you to search our database for 2,000 plus sales copy swipes in multiple niches that you can model in your business. But not only that, CopyHackBox lets you copy and paste the URL of any page or video to swipe the script with just a click. What's more, CopyHackBox lets you copy and paste any text, email, sales page, or script into a sophisticated editor which can do some magic for you. Let me show you how. Step 2, ethically rip off. CopyHackBox allows you to ethically rip off any high-converting copy you have submitted into the app. What it does is to automatically rewrite the entire copy using AI with a single click of your mouse. And you can do that with any of the CopyHackBox tools available to you. Step 3, profit. Use the copy for yourself or sell it to clients for big profits. Did you know the average price for just one sales copy is around $2,000? And you can do way more than that per client. And combining your little time together with the power of CopyHackBox, you can do wonders with it. This thing is just terrific. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. With CopyHackBox, you could write high-converting headlines with the built-in headline generator with just a few clicks. You can create high-converting long-form sales copy, all done with AI. You can create an entire sales copy section by section by simply providing a short description. And you can also translate any copy or script into other languages for more ways to profit. And if you decide to take the most advantage of CopyHackBox by accessing the upgrades, you will be able to unlock unlimited projects, unlock 100+ languages, unlock workspaces, be able to request niches in CopyHacker, everything you need to establish a copywriting agency or freelancing business. You can create video scripts with voiceovers in 100+ languages with a single click. Create pre-sale emails, promotional emails, cold calling emails, soap opera welcome sequences, Seinfeld engagement sequences, and more. And last but not least, you will even have the awesome ability to resell CopyHackBox and keep 100% of the money to yourself without handling any support yourself. We will take care of everything for you. You will not find these valuable upgrades anywhere else online. As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step-by-step how to use and profit with CopyHackBox the quick and easy way. Just get inside by clicking the button below and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to jump into the incredible opportunity to have in your hands the first to market, breakthrough, and futuristic AI-powered app that ethically copyhacks any sales page or VSL and rewrites brand new sales scripts for any product or service and in any niche, all in minutes, save your copy by clicking the button below. Take advantage of the special discount before it is too late. Buy now by clicking the button below. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. There are multiple upgrades. So the first one here is going to allow you to have, it looks like a pro version of this. You can leverage the power of human intelligence and artificial intelligence. It's got a database here involved with this. This is going to give you all this. This is a super saver pack that's going to give you all the different upgrades all in one. So this is different than a bundle discount. This looks like it's like right after you purchase the offer on the front end, you can purchase get all these extra different OTOs all in one. So you can do that. Of course, the best way to do it is to just go straight to the bundle if you want to get all this. But anyways, this is an option. You're going to get all the different OTOs, and I'm going to go over in a second for a one-time price. Now, if you say no to that, it will take you through the funnel. There's the unlimited version of this. The unlimited is $67. Then they've got one here that's an agency toolkit. This one's $47. Then this one right here is the VSL writer and voiceover artist upgrade. This one's $47. Then they've got another one here that's looks like it's another some kind of an agency kit here. Then they've got the reseller license. This one is $127 for, how many is that? 100 reseller licenses for that. So you can go through the sales funnel, or you can click on this little bundle discount here. It's going to take you over to this page right here where you can get everything included in this. So of everything that I just showed you, all for a bundle discounted price. It's up to you how you want to do this, and you can get a $50 discount here, so it brings it down to $247. This is the cheapest way to do the entire sales funnel. You can go through the sales funnel, you can get the bundle discount, it's your choice. Okay, so what do I like about CopyHackBox and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, like when you're going out there and you're stealing someone else's copy, if you're using AI to let you do it, just make sure you go over it and make sure that it is original enough and you're not like stealing stuff from them that's like just blatant theft, right? be ethical about this. Use the software, but make sure you take a look at what it actually takes for you. What do I like about this? I think this is a neat idea. This is, again, like I said, if you look at all the products being launched out there, specifically if you are following like Warrior Plus and JVZoo launches, you'll see that a lot of these products, sometimes you might feel like, have I seen this before? It looks kind of similar. The reason is because a lot of these things are kind of copied, made a little bit better, and then released again. That's like how this works over and over and over again. All these ideas, how many page builders have you seen? How many email autoresponders? They're just kind of added on, made a little better, and released again. Everyone looks at each other's sales copy. Everyone mimics them. So now you can do it with a software. If that's something that you want to do for yourself or sell as a service, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my CopyHackBox review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.